Hi guys, on our trip to Parks the other week, we camped overnight at Mirror, and in the morning we went to get out of the car, and the car was locked. And as soon as we opened the door, the alarm went off. I got into a bit of a panic trying to turn the alarm off with the fob, because we didn't want to wake anybody else in the that was parked around in the area. Anyhow, after the alarm went off a couple of times and we eventually got it off, when we went to leave, nothing would work. The whole vehicle had gone into some sort of a lockdown. Anyway, so even if you pushed on the start button and you could push on that, nothing would happen. Put your foot on the brake, nothing would happen. You got out of the vehicle, used the fob to lock or to unlock, it just wouldn't do anything. It absolutely shut down, and we were stranded on the side of the road, or not on the side of the road, but at the parking area within Morale for about 4 hours. So if anybody else finds themselves getting stuck, this is the easiest way to fix it. If you get in the vehicle, one of the first things they said to us to try was putting the fob right next to the start and hitting the start button. That didn't work, because the vehicle had obviously gone into some sort of a shutdown. I was thinking it was being stolen or whatever the case is. After much trying, the only solution that we found, that after going through the and also going through all the maintenance books and everything, there's supposed to be an isolation switch underneath the driver's seat. We couldn't find it anywhere, so we gave up on that one. The NRMA guy, when he came out, he couldn't hook up to the computer in the vehicle, because there was no power to anything. All the accessories that run from the back of the vehicle through the lithium battery at the back, that was all running. All the vehicle functions were totally dormant. So after much trying and going through the manual, the one thing we did try was disconnecting the battery to hopefully reset it that way, and I'll show you now how to do that. Now, this is an AGM battery, so I don't know if you can see, it's got AGM written on it. So if you do find yourself the vehicle needs to be reset, you can't do it from the positive, because being an AGM battery, you have to do it from the negative, and you'll need a 10mm spanner or shifter to undo this nut, and then basically take that off, let it sit for 30 seconds, put that back on, and then it should just all work from there. I hope you find this little info helpful one day. Bye bye.